Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, and you may have recently heard that my home health course that's all online is now approved for 10 CEUs for physical therapists and physical therapist assistants. And again, that's all online for 10 continuing education units that can be used towards your license renewal. It's officially approved in Florida. Other states are pending, but usually you can transfer it as well. And again, if you go to the website or join the Facebook group, you can get a discount code for that course. Now, the reason I'm making this video is a lot of people have reached out to me about, hey, how do I make my course a CEU? How do I make a course? Well, there's lots of steps involved in that process. So I'm actually going to be offering 2 new products. I'm actually going to talk about these products first on YouTube as I build out the sales funnels. I'll go into some background information on sales funnels in future videos. But what I'm going to be offering is this. If you just want to talk to me about course development, what you want to do in the future, if you want a course like my home health course, that's going to be a $100 consult, okay? Now, if you want me to do all the paperwork for you, you have your course designed, and you want to get CEUs for it, depending on how many CEUs, it's going to cost you probably between $200 to $800. And you have to do lots of administrative work, paperwork, and so on. That being said, the service I'm going to be offering is a $1,000 flat rate. You submit to me everything you have. I look at it, make sure it's working okay, go to the state board for you, go through CE broker, and what's going to happen is if it's applicable to your state, then I'm going to submit everything for you, and basically I take the unnecessary paperwork and processes, however you want to say it, out of your hand. So again, if you haven't bought the Home Health Method course, it's now worth 10 CEUs, officially approved in Florida and pending in other states. And again, it's only $149 with the discount code, $250 without the discount code. And the discount code is new to home health in all capital letters. If you don't get the link, there's also a Facebook group for that as well. Or you can join the alternative careers group. Again, the point of this video is to let you know about my 2 new products, which is consulting with me on course development or an $1,000 flat rate for me to get your course registered in CE broker in your state. Now, if you want to talk to me more on this or schedule a consult or want one of these products, I will be linking in the description below once the sales funnels are built out. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and just email drsmithdpt@gmail.com. Again, that's drsmithdpt@gmail.com. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Right now, we have close to 100 members in the home health course, which are now all getting 10 CEUs, whether they're PTAs or PTs. We also have close to 1,000 people in the Facebook group. And now I'm trying to expand my services further by offering CEU approval services through CE broker in your state. So if you have any comments, questions, complaints, concerns, please comment below. I'm Dr. Smith, physical therapist. Please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video.